Let's talk about OXO Good Grips Citrus Juicer. Two different sized reamers are suitable for lemons, limes, oranges and grapefruits. Clever reamer design makes juicing easy and efficient. Use the measurement markings for recipes. Non-slip grip makes pouring comfortable. The OXO Better Guarantee: if you experience an issue with your OXO product, get in touch with OXO to repair or replace it. OXO is grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience and will make it better. Good quality and nice design. Easy to use and clean, however after 6 months mold started to grow inside the bottom part. See picture. It's not possible to reach it. Faulty product. Bought as replacement for an electric citrus juicer, which was jamming on disassembly, and having good experience of OXO products for older users. See tried this product. It works reasonably well on extracting juice, though delivering less juice liquid than the electric juicer, because more juice is retained in the pulp residue. The main disadvantage is that it requires average adult grip strength, which many older users may not have. It is however relatively easy to clean. It juices really well, don't get me wrong. It's solid and has a good grip. But the main part, not sure what it's called, but the pointy bit you actually juice things on doesn't break down into smaller pieces, so it can be annoyingly hard to clean both juice and bits of fruit, stuck under the tip.